if you're ever in a situation where you need to cut your post around some arris rails, use a little square, hook under there, mark it up, same on the top, mark it down, square it off from the bottom of the arris rail, square it off from the top of the arris rail, measure the distance between the back of the arris rail and the post, 5.5 centimeters in this case. Do a marker on there, find your center point, five and a half. Use a square on the opposite end, measure down, mark down to that bottom of the arris rail. Easy, and just repeat the process. Center, mark down to that corner, and then obviously if you've got a skill saw, makes it easier to cut.